Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question on the change in the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when the space between the plates is partly filled with a dielectric. The question is as follows. Read the question carefully. The capacitance of the given L capacitor is equal to 15 mu F. The separation between the plates is equal to 2 mm. Now, a slab of dielectric constant K is equal to 2 and thickness is equal to 1 mm is inserted between its plates. We are required to find the new capacitance of the capacitor. We will solve the problem in two methods. The first method. Let the plate area of the capacitor is equal to A and plate separation is equal to D. It is given that D is equal to 2 mm. But we don't need this data to solve the problem. The capacitance of the L capacitor is equal to epsilon 0 A by D. Therefore, we write C is equal to epsilon 0 A by D, which is equal to 15 mu F. Now, a dielectric slab of thickness D by 2 and dielectric constant K is inserted between the plates of the capacitor. It is given that K is equal to 2. Now, this capacitor may be considered as a series combination of two capacitors C1 and C2 as shown in this figure. For capacitor C1, plate area is equal to A, plate separation is equal to D by 2 and dielectric constant is equal to K. For capacitor C2, plate area is also equal to A, plate separation is also equal to D by 2, but there is no dielectric between its plates. To determine the value of C1, we will use the equation C1 is equal to epsilon 0 Ka by D1, where K is the dielectric constant of the medium between the plates and D1 is the separation of the plates. But it is given that D1 is equal to D by 2. Putting this value, we get C1 is equal to epsilon 0 into 2 into A divided by D by 2, which is equal to 4 epsilon 0 A by D, which is equal to 60 mu F, because epsilon 0 A by D is equal to 15 mu F. Similarly, for the second capacitor C2, we will use the relation C2 is equal to epsilon 0 A by D2. Here, the medium between the plates is equal to air and its plate separation is taken as D2. Now, D2 is also equal to D by 2. Therefore, we write C2 is equal to epsilon 0 A divided by D by 2, which is equal to 2 epsilon 0 A by D. But epsilon 0 A by D is equal to 15 mu F. Therefore, C2 is equal to 30 mu F. Now, we'll calculate the capacitance of the series combination of C1 and C2. Now, when C1 and C2 are connected in series, then the effective capacitance is given by C dash is equal to C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Putting the values, we get C dash is equal to 60 into 30 divided by 60 plus 30. On simplification, this gives C dash is equal to 20 mu F, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is B. Now, for the second method. In this method, we will use the following equation. When a dielectric of thickness T and dielectric constant K is inserted between the plates of an air capacitor of plate area A and plate separation D, then the capacitance is given by C dash is equal to epsilon 0 A by D minus T plus T by K. Now, it is given in the question that T is equal to D by 2. Therefore, using this value, we get C dash is equal to epsilon 0 A divided by D minus D by 2 plus D by 2K. Now, putting K is equal to 2, we get C dash is equal to epsilon 0 A divided by D minus D by 2 plus D by 4. On simplification, we get C dash is equal to epsilon 0 A divided by D by 2 plus D by 4, which is equal to epsilon 0 A divided by D into 3 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 3 into epsilon 0 A by D. But we know that epsilon 0 A by D is equal to 15 mu F, which gives C dash is equal to 4 by 3 into 15, which is equal to 20 mu F, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is B. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.